Drafty windows are one of the most common comfort complaints among Warren homeowners, especially during Michigan's long, cold winters and breezy transitional seasons. Even high-quality replacement windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. Small gaps, poor alignment, or inadequate sealing allow cold air to creep in and warm air to escape, making rooms uncomfortable and driving up energy bills. That's why professional window installation is essential. Expert installation ensures your windows perform as intended, creating a tight seal that prevents drafts and protects indoor comfort year-round. Here's how professional installation makes a measurable difference for Warren residences. Precise measurements eliminate hidden gaps. Drafts often begin with inaccurate measurements. Older homes in Warren may have settling, uneven frames, or non-standard openings that require careful assessment. A window that's even slightly undersized can leave gaps around the frame, prime pathways for air leaks. Professional installers measure each opening individually, account for structural shifts and framing inconsistencies, select the correct window size and configuration, ensure a snug, custom fit within the existing opening. This precision lays the foundation for a draft-free installation. Proper leveling and squaring ensure a tight seal. Windows must be installed level, plumb, and square for the sashes to close tightly. If a window is tilted or out of alignment, weather stripping won't compress properly, leaving small openings where air can pass through. Expert installation ensures even sash alignment for full closure, proper compression of weather stripping, smooth operation without sticking or gaps, secure locking that pulls sashes tight against the frame in Warren's windy conditions. Correct alignment is critical to keeping cold air outside. Insulation around the frame stops air infiltration. One of the most overlooked sources of drafts is the space between the window frame and the wall. Without proper insulation, this hidden cavity becomes a highway for cold air. Professional installers seal this area using low-expansion spray foam designed for windows, backer rod where appropriate for deeper gaps, careful application to avoid frame distortion, continuous insulation for long-term performance. This creates a thermal barrier that dramatically reduces air leakage and heat loss. High-quality weather stripping is installed and adjusted correctly. Weather stripping is only effective if it's installed properly and adjusted to maintain consistent contact. Over time, poorly installed weather stripping can flatten, tear, or pull away, allowing drafts to return. Professionals use durable, climate-appropriate materials, ensure full contact along all sash edges, adjust sashes to maintain proper compression, test for air leaks before completing the job. This attention to detail keeps your windows sealed through Warren's temperature swings. Exterior sealing protects against wind and moisture. Draft prevention doesn't stop inside the home. Exterior sealing is just as important, especially in Warren, where wind-driven rain and snow can force air through small exterior cracks. Professional installation includes high-performance exterior caulking, proper flashing to direct water away, flexible sealants that withstand freeze-thaw cycles, protection against long-term seal failure. These exterior defenses stop drafts before they reach your interior walls. Secure anchoring prevents long-term shifting. Improperly anchored windows can shift over time due to seasonal expansion, foundation movement, or daily use. As frames move, gaps form, and drafts follow. Professional installers prevent this by anchoring windows securely to structural framing using proper fasteners and spacing, reinforcing openings when necessary, allowing for natural expansion without breaking seals. This stability helps keep your windows draft-free for years, not just the first season. Lower energy bills and improved comfort. When drafts are eliminated, your HVAC system doesn't have to compensate for constant air loss. Warren homeowners experience more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced heating costs during winter, less strain on furnaces and HVAC equipment, a quieter, more comfortable living environment. These benefits translate into real savings and improved daily comfort. A draft-free home starts with professional installation. For Warren residents, professional window installation is the key to preventing drafts and maintaining year-round comfort. From precise measurements and proper alignment to insulation, weather stripping, and exterior sealing, expert installation ensures your windows deliver maximum performance. If you're tired of cold drafts and rising energy bills, investing in professional window installation is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your home.